everyone, today I'm going to give you guys a 4-pillar content strategy to help promote your business using content marketing absolutely for free. So here we go. Pillar number 1 is the educate pillar. Under this pillar, you have pieces like checklists, blogs, ebooks, and newsletters. Pillar number 2 is your promotional pillar. If you are looking to promote some of your products, some kind of content pieces you can do are behind the scenes, giveaways, product tutorials, and user-generated content. User-generated content is the same as reviews. Basically, this is content that is provided by your consumers. This is gold, and it really speaks to your target audience because it's coming from people who are actually consuming your product. Pillar number 3 is the motivate pillar. So this one is your inspirational quotes, and then you have your lessons learned and stories. These are all things that motivate your target audience to interact with you, to buy your product, or to learn more about what your services are. Pillar number 4 is the most important one. This is the engage pillar, where you get to interact directly with your target audience through fun things like polls, quizzes, and contests. Now, using these 4 pillars, you can generate a ton of engagement from your target audience if you target the right kind of topics. I hope you found today's quick tutorial useful. Catch you guys in the next one.